Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today was my happiest day. um uh Pastor, evangelist, as you call it. Since you don't know the difference between pastor and evangelist, so you are bearing the two names. Anyway, it's illiteracy. Daniel, I told you don't start this fight. And you say you wanted it, and I gave it to you. You are crying. Number one, you said you are a pastor and you left Nigeria, you went to Europe, you married another man's wife. You were on live. I was asking you those questions, you were dodging it. Anybody who supports you that you went to Europe and married another man's wife, another man will take their wife from them in Jesus' name. Pastor Daniel, the kids you were showing on TV, those white children, do you want to say they are your kids? We know half caste. If we see half caste, we know half caste. You have been in Europe for 14 years. You cannot pregnant. Why will you pregnant a woman when you abandon your wife and children in Nigeria? And you want to if those children are your kids, those children, make a video with those children. Prove me wrong to the whole world that those children are your kids. Daniel, I said I was not going to do video. You have been looking for my real face. You see, I always put on glasses. There's no glass. This is my real face. Look into it very well. Okay? Daniel, everybody know you are fake. Number two, don't forget you said you were going to pray for me for 2 days. Daniel, I'm waiting for the 2 days. I want to confess. I want to die. I want to, I don't want to be appearing on this thing. You say you have prayed for men of God. I should go and ask them. Please, what are the name of the men of God too? That tried you, that they saw something I should go and ask. Please give me the name of the white people. I want to personally know them. Okay? I want to know the name of the men of God that tried you, that you prayed for, and something happened to them. And Daniel, if you did not pray, I will know you are an idiot. I will know you are illiterate. If you did not pray for God, the God you say you are serving to kill me, I will know you are an idiot. Pocket picker like you, rapists. You left your children here in Nigeria and you are talking about Suleiman and October. And you are telling them, Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkọ ọnụgọ iji akpọ Orisha Jafọ. Ị ka adịghị pronounce Orisha Jafọ, ije ali bekee je mekasị onwe gị ewu. Oriafọ, Orikwe, Oriekwa, Orikwe. They are laughing you. Oriakwa, Orikwe. You are making a video. 2 of us were watching you live. 2 of us. You say my daughters are begging me not to talk to you. Who were begging you? Read those comments. You were dodging it. Even when I told you your wife have sent me a number that you should call, what did you do? You quickly log out of YouTube. You think I'm a fool? You think I don't know what I'm saying? Back off from Apostle Johnson Suleiman, okay? Apostle Johnson Suleiman is innocent, and Otobo has confessed that. So you, Daniel, back up. If you don't back off, I'm going to make a video that you will not like. Tell the world who you really are. So before I go, 2 things I need from you. Number one, Daniel, are those white children your kids? If you finally say no, does that mean you married another man's wife and you say you are a pastor? You married another man's wife. Ooh! Daniel, you married another man's wife. You say I'm fake. All those who are following me are fake. Come to my church. Come and sit down in my service and see God move. Let's know who is fake. And if you don't pray that 2 days prayer, you said that when you pray, all the people you prayed for, they regret. If you don't pray that prayer, I'm going to do my own prayer for you. Are you getting what I'm saying? That charm you said I'm using, that charm you said I'm using to do miracle, or to fight people, or to do one thing or the other, I will use it on your head so that you know how it looks like. I was surprised you were making video. You that was praying that God should kill me, you started praying for God to have mercy on me. You are a confused man. I've said it, you are a madman. A mad man. Present those children. They are not your kids. You went and married another man's wife because of document. Prove me wrong. That's what you did. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Your mother, your brothers, your sisters, all of them, they were calling me this morning, begging me that I should just forgive you. But you talked to an extent that they told me that I should send your wife's number. Well, what did you do? You turn it off. Later now you start talking. Send me the wife number now. Send me the number. But when we are live, you didn't send the number. Later you go and call them at home now. Start threatening them. So people went and give him the number. People went and do this one. If you ever do this, I know you are going to do that. Idiot like you, rapist like you. He goat. I still have the video where you slept with a goat. I'll post it on Facebook. Idiot. You thought we deleted the video. We still have the video. Put it on Facebook, okay? But I don't want to get distracted because what I'm doing, I'm trying to make you popular. Is that okay? Daniel, goat. Umarapa, I'm going to work. I want to go and bath. Even look at lesser beauty. You could not reply all the message she was writing you. Say, lesser beauty. My doctor. Rokoto, rokoto. Rakata, rakata. Rekete, rokoto, rokoto. You carry Bible. You are God. God is a merciful God. If it were Old Testament, he can't slap. Now you go receive for your ear. You go know how to respect God. If you want to know people who are real men of God, ask me. I will tell you. I'm real, okay? I'm not fake. If you have anything about me, post it on social media. Are you hearing what I'm saying? My name remains Pastor Casey Chukwu Orishe Jafo. Daniel, let me tell you, I will tell you why they call me the Ikuku of Abakaliki. I will tell you why they call me the Amajon of Ebonyi State. I will call you why they call me the Isebonaga one of MMW. I will tell you why they call me the Oracle of the Nation. If you try me, I silence you one night. I will make sure you sleep, you don't wake up. I will make sure you are deported from Nigeria. Look at me very well. Don't think you can insult any pastor anyhow. Are you hearing what I'm saying? I'm a spiritual pastor. If you try me, I'll teach you a lesson that it's not all pastor you talk to anyhow. You think I'm Apostle Johnson Suleiman who does not want to reply you guys. If you try me, it's just like you does not even watch this 7 minutes video. I'm out of here.